Hello everybody, welcome to the third tutorial of this course. This chapter focuses on the Backstage View feature in Word, which serves as a central location for managing your documents. The Backstage View enables users to perform various actions such as creating new documents, saving and opening documents, printing and sharing documents, and what have you. Accessing the Backstage View is simple. Just click on the File tab in the top left corner of your Word ribbon. So I'm gonna click on it. Alright. If no document is open, a window will appear listing all recently opened documents. Just as you can see here, these are all the recently opened documents I have opened. If a document is already open, a window will display details about the current document. The Backstage View has 3 columns. So let's start with this column actually. So now let's start with this save. A lot of people have problems with save and save as. So let's talk about save first. This option allows you to save the current document. If the document is already saved, it will be updated with the latest changes. If not, a dialog box will prompt you to provide a name for the file. Next is the save as. This option enables you to save the document with a different name or in a different format, such as a PDF, Word 97, Word 2003 compatible format, etc. Now let's move on to open. This option is used to open an existing Word document. If you already have an existing Word document, this option will lead you to opening it. We have a close button here. This option closes the current open document, just as easy as that. Let's talk about the info. This option displays information about the current document, such as the author, the file size, the last time it was modified. We have a new button here. This option allows you to create a new document. If you want to create a new document, this button here will help you do that. Now let's say you are done creating your document. Next is to print it out. So we have our print button here. This print option is used to print the current document, provided you have your printer attached to your PC. Is there any other thing we should talk about? So that's just a very short. Okay, export. You want to share your documents either through email, WhatsApp, or any other means of sharing your information. This is the button for the job, the export button. So that's just it for the Backstage View. We'll move on to our front. What the hell is happening? Right, we'll move on to our front view again to continue our tutorial. So in our next tutorial, we'll talk about how we can enter text onto our document area. It looks very basic, but that is the main objective of this course. The course is supposed to introduce very new people to Word in general. So if you are already acquainted with Word, the next chapter of the course isn't something you have to delve in actually. But if you are not very new to it, you can just go ahead and skip the next chapter. So the next chapter is going to be talking about how to enter text in Microsoft Word. See you.